the first one is find the value of x. This is x, and this is a complete triangle in two parallel lines. And this other one said that find the value of n. Find the value of n. We have a 2n, and then here is a 54 degree. So let's start from the first one that we have there. So what we do now, if you look at it very well, find out in solving geometry mathematics like that, you need to find out some of the angles that are equal and those of them that are alternate. Something like alternate angles. I talk about vertically opposite angles, and also look at the angles based on the kind of triangle where they find themselves. For example, when we look at this one, we find out that this is a straight line, and there's angle here, angle is here too, and angle is there. So this is the one we're looking for. Now, what are we going to do? If you look at this thing very well, we find out that this one we have here, what we have here is alternate to this other one. 60 degree is the alternate angle, alternate to what? This 60. So now, to get the value of x, this is one of the ways you can solve it. That's another way I'm going to show you how to get this thing done in another way form. That seems to be the fastest. So here now is a straight line. So angle on a straight line, we have 80 plus 60 plus x will give us 180 degree. If it's 180 degree, then 80 plus this will give us, I think it should be 140. Let's check. 60 plus 80 will give us 140. So we have 140 degree plus x equal to 180. So the value of x will then be 180 degree minus 140 degree. That will give us 40 degree. That's one of the ways. Another way of solving this problem. Now look at this. This is also alternate angle to this place. We have 40 degree. It's also alternate. Now what do we do here? This is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. So we say that x is also equal to what? 40 degree. Can you see that? That's the fastest method of doing it, especially when you see it in objective. See, sometimes mathematics is not meant to be very difficult. So let's go to the next one. This one we are looking at here. This is also similar to what we have here. This is alternate angle to this. And 54 is alternate angle to this. That means they are equal. Since they are alternate angle, now we are entering a triangle. This triangle, these signs we see here is telling us that this is isosceles triangle. In every isosceles triangle, the two sides here, they are always equal. That means you can say that this other one is also a 54 degree. If it's 54 degree, and sum of angle of a triangle is always equal to what? 180. Note that in very sum of the angles of a triangle is always equal to what? 180. Now if it's 180, that is to say 2n plus 54 plus 54 will give us 180. When we add up these two together, we have 2n plus 108, then equal to what? 180. Then we say that 2n will then be 180 minus 108. That will give us 72 degrees. If it's 72 degree, 2n is equal to 72 degree. That is to say then 2n will be equal to 72 divided by 2. That will give us 36 degrees. That's the final answer. That's how that's the value of what? N. Thank you for being part of the class. If you have any question, you can leave your question in the comment section. We will always attend to you. And then see you. Thank you so much. If you're joining for the first time, please endeavor to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.